moderator. Next is step 10 research model. There are two types of model. Number one is conceptual framework, which is based on concepts related to your variable. Then it's based on hypothesis testing, and it's based on causal effect relationship. Then second is your theoretical framework. Okay, theoretical framework. In theoretical framework is based on your theory, which is related to your variable. Okay. Then you identify your key concepts, which are your variables related to your theory. Then you define your variables, which are your concepts. Then you evaluate theories, concepts, and models. So what your it also shows what your research will contribute. So So in research model, there are two models. You can select any one of them which suits you. As I told you, conceptual framework, you give concepts related to your variables, you do hypothesis testing of your hypothesis statements, and you do cause effect relationship of your independent and dependent variable. But in theoretical framework, it relates to your theory, which theory you have selected, which relates to your variable. This theory identifies your key concepts of your key variables, then it defines your key concepts, your key variables, then evaluates theories, concepts, and models. Okay, that's a theoretical framework, and it tells you what your research will contribute. Next is research model example. A simple research model example is study hours is independent variable, and the dependent variable on study hours is your grades. What grades are you coming? Your grade depends on your study hours, how much hours you are studying. Let's take example of a moderator. IQ level is the moderator in your relationship between study hours and A plus grades. Then moderator comes into the model. Its chapter completed. For example, your dependent variable is study hours and your independent variable is A plus grades. But in this relationship, chapters, how much chapters you will complete will be part of your mediator.